Hello friends, in previous video we have discussed about coherence. Now in this video we are going to learn about polygon filling algorithms like boundary, flood fill and scanline algorithm. So let's start. First we see polygon and their type of polygon. As in the previous video already we have discussed polygon and their type. As we know, polygon is a closed figure with many vertices and edges, and each vertex exactly two edges meet and no edge cross the other. The simplest polygon is triangle. There are basically three types of polygon. First is regular or simple polygon, where number of edges equal to the number of angle. The example of regular polygon is triangle, where edges are 3 and angle is also 3. Next type of polygon is convex polygon. Convex polygon means whenever we select 2 points inside the polygon and draw a line, then line segment should be completely lie inside the polygon, then polygon is called convex. If line does not completely inside the polygon, then it is called concave polygon. To fill a polygon, we have mainly three types of polygon filling algorithm. First is boundary fill algorithm, second is flood fill algorithm, and the third one is scanline algorithm. So first discuss about boundary fill algorithm. Boundary fill algorithm. In this algorithm, for filling a region with a single boundary color, but the conditions for setting pixels is color should not be same as the border color and it should not be same as fill color. To fill an area using boundary, first draw a polygon boundaries, then select a point which is called seed point and fill that seed point with the required color. After that, find neighbor pixels of seed point to determine whether they correspond to the boundary pixel, and if not, then color them with the desired color and check their neighborhood pixels. These pixels will be stored in stack. This process will be continue till all pixels have been colored. To identification of neighborhood pixel of a seed point, we have two concepts. First is 4 neighbor or N4 and second is N8 or 8 neighbor method. This is a code for boundary fill algorithm. In this algorithm, these are the two important conditions for fill the color, that is, color should not be same as border color and fill color should not also be same as already filled color. If conditions are satisfied, then we set the pixel with the desired color and find their neighbors by using N4 or N8 method and store in the stack and color these pixels This process will be continue till all pixels are filled. For example, we can understand by this. In this, first we select a start pixel or seed pixel. Then in stack we store the neighbors of seed pixels. Here we are using 4 connected method, so we store 4 neighbors of seed point. So here we are storing in stack pixel 1, 2 and 3, which are the neighbors of seed point. Now we pop the top element of the stack and set the color. So here we pop 3 from the stack and color them. After that, we will identify the 4 neighbor of pixel 3, which is a 4. This 4 will be stored in stack. Now the top element will again pop from the stack and set that pixel. So we set the pixel 4. This process will be continue till stack is empty. Now we take example with the 8 connected method. Here we can see, first when we select start position pixel or seed pixel, we store in stack their 8 neighbors. Now we pop the top element from the stack and set that color. So the pixel number 5 will be popped from the stack and set that color. After that, the set color pixel neighbors will be stored in again stack, and top element will be popped from the stack and again we find their neighbor, and this process will be continue till all pixels colored or stack is empty. Now second important algorithm for polygon filling algorithm is flood fill algorithm. Flood fill algorithm is a modified version of boundary fill algorithm. In this algorithm, for filling a region with multiple boundaries color, here we don't have to deal with boundary color. The conditions for setting a pixel or color a pixel is that coloring of the pixel of the polygon is done with the fill color until we keep getting the old interior color. This is a code for flood fill algorithm. Here we can see this is an important condition. If the color fill colored desired color is equal to interior color, which is already color of pixel, then we set the color with the desired color. After that, we find 4 neighbors or 8 neighbors and color them. This process will be continue till all pixels colored or empty the stack. Few important points regarding both algorithm, boundary and flood fill. First is boundary fill expand and fill regions until we reach boundary color. Second important point, flood fill expand and fill regions while we find interior color. Flood fill is one algo in which all connected pixels of a selected color get replaced by a fill color. Boundary fill is similar with the difference being the program stopping when a given color boundary is found. So these are few important points which must be remembered regarding boundary and flood fill algorithm. Now third important algorithm for area filling is scanline filling algorithm. This method is used in raster scan devices for filling area. This algorithm work as first we find intersection of the scan line with all edges. Now these intersection point is stored in increasing order. After that, fill all the pixels between pairs of intersection. The important point regarding scan line is first exclude horizontal edges, and second important point is for vertices lying on scan line should be count as twice. For example, in the diagram we can see to fill this polygon, first we draw a scan line. These scan line intersect the polygon edges. Then all intersection point will be sorted in increasing order according to X position. Then these intersection points are sorted from left to right, corresponding frame buffer position between each intersection, and then set to specified or desired fill color. So this is all over the video. Thank you.